Talking info food box.
Time's up. Bring the inventions to life.
What we've done is it's in two parts. First, there's a new valve here, and then this is the hot water dispensing station. So you buy the soup, you stick it in like this, put the water in, and then of course when you remove it, this seals again. You can go to your plane. Of course. Then you go to your plane, and it's ready to eat. Once you get to the plane, it's ready to eat. Okay. So you only open it once.
Yeah.
This is a joint venture between Cartier and Nestlé. So you buy the ring and you get free chocolate for a year. So we thought it was convenient. And if you don't like it, you can get the bracelet. Much nicer.
Now in groups of 4, 2 draw food products, cherries, ice cream, 2 draw a device, a dishwasher, a copier, an oven, a telephone. Next stage, join these unrelated things together to create something new. Free association. Brainstorm packaging ideas. Tin cans, glass, steel, tires, blue jeans. What does concrete inspire?
English breakfast.
3 hours and 1,498 inspirations later, onto the next phase, Idea City. The ideas from the day are now everywhere. Being spit out of a machine into a bathtub, shown in a theatre, read as a newspaper. Everything's on display. Now, it's not about quantity. It's about everyone creating a few strong, practical ideas from the hundreds generated during the day. There's 3 brainstorm support roles available to help: a writer, an illustrator, and a combiner.
Open with your finger, with your thumb, which I think is quite practical.
So you want to combine these 3 ideas?
96 ideas emerge. They are hung on a clothesline. It's down to a vote. Each person gets 5 stickers. The number of stickers decides the idea's fate. Only the ideas that get 4 stickers make it through to the next day. It's the end of day 1. The voting's done. 4 hours later, and 40 happy but tired participants say goodbye. It's 48 hours later. A small group of experts gathers. Today, it's Think Tank. The day begins with brief introductions of the panel: a sociologist, designers, industry experts, packaging experts, manufacturing engineers. For the first hour, each expert is given one of 3 user needs: meal quality, portability, or visual appeal, and asked to rate and comment on the ideas that came out of the first day. Next, working in groups of 2, the experts have 30 minutes to evaluate the highest rated ideas and choose their favorites. Back together, each pair presents their 2 favorites. The group debates the positives and negatives of each. the group is ushered to a sandbox courtroom where they have a last chance to argue for their favorite offbeat ideas. The best of these are added to the others, and 17 emerge from the day. Day 3. The decision maker is brought back into the process. Nadia Schnetzler, the co-founder of Brainstore, presents the ideas from Day 2 to Rick and his team, and they systematically assess and comment on them. Each of the 17 innovations from Day 2 are flashed on a screen. A ratings sheet is filled out to capture the team's preferences. Cue cards allow participants to sort all the ideas in rank order. A couple of ideas show real promise, but others are unworkable. Rick and his team work to see if they can combine several ideas into a realistic solution.
The basic
Back at the airport, Nadia from Brainstore presents the next round of ideas to Rick.
Resembles that of an elegant and slim business suitcase.
Yes.
That's clear. Things are in place. Old coffee drink or energy drink to give you back energy. There are some examples. We did some net scouting to have those flat meals, right? There is ready-to-eat menus.
Now it's time for the big unveiling. The process was fun, frustrating, exciting, enlightening, and at times unclear. The final idea, the seat back, is presented. It's the last chance. Will it deliver?
This is brilliant, I think. What is brilliant about this is that there are two ways of carrying it. One is the conventional way. The other one is using your piece of hand luggage. Once in the plane, you could easily see yourself either putting it on the seat while you handle your other luggage, use the coat hook that is there, and use the tray table once you sit. From a marketing point of view, obviously, when you sit and you have this either attached to the coat hook or to your seat, you have the advertisement at eye level. I think this is on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 9 for me. And that was more like, okay, this is good, but I still see some issues. Of course, the product as well. I sell this. I sell this, and I sell this. So this is very easy, understandable, and it probably still arouses people's curiosity in the sense that they can play with this. And it can also be used for The Economist, for example. It can still be part and parcel of it. So yeah, I'm very enthusiastic about this one. Very good. I have discovered the following about helping travelers eat, is that we as a company are not paying enough attention to the traveler's needs while walking through an airport, sitting inside a plane. First of all, because we always supply the straightforward solutions. And the second, which was probably the biggest benefit of the whole process, is that we started off looking for a packaging and a product, and we ended up with a total product that includes suppliers that I haven't even thought of working together with. And I really see big potential. What I liked is that I was put into a process that every now and then I needed to get back to face the issue and come up with a solution, rather than seeking the easy way out of escaping and saying, listen, it's not going to work anyway, I'm not going to find funding, let's focus on tomorrow's problems. I'm really enthusiastic about getting the seat back to market for a number of reasons. I have in the background already involved suppliers that I have a good relationship with and bounced some of the ideas off and said, what do you think? And they said, are you going in the right direction? We see this as an opportunity. So Coca-Cola, I'm sure, if I'm showing them this, I just had a meeting with them this morning, they would say, brilliant, yes. I have pressure from above, from my bosses to come up with something, come up with an innovative solution to a normal problem. And I think if I show this to my colleagues worldwide, they're all practical people, they're all operators. So the moment you come with a complicated solution, in a meeting you see